Mavic Mini is finally here on my channel. Yes! Breaking news from Young360. Mavic Mini 2. Will it really come out before the holiday season 2020? And is it time for you to sell your beloved Mavic Mini? Stay watching and find out more. Hi guys, I'm Young, your tech reviewer with more than 30 videos on Mavic Mini. So I have to come and deliver to you guys some breaking news regarding the possible Mavic Mini 2. So on the internet, and also a lot of information is coming from the Twitter account OzitaLV. Thanks OzitaLV for providing us with a lot of interesting and exciting information about DJI. So there is a rumor and speculation. Nothing confirmed, but this is a rumor that Mavic Mini 2 might be out before the holiday season. Why? Well, a lot of signs are up in the air for a possible new product from DJI Technology. So when you go to the FCC filing search, you can actually see that DJI Technology has been making quite a number of filings just a few days ago. And also the labeling that's floating around on the internet. When you look closely, you can see the model name of the new device, MT2PD. What does that mean? Well, when you also look at the bottom of Mavic Mini, it says the model name is MT1SD25, or in some other region, the model name of Mavic Mini was MT1SS5. So Mavic Mini series maybe will be going in the line of MT model name. Well, for Mavic Air 2, the model name started with MA, and Mavic 2, like Pro series, it starts with L. So, And also, if you look at this part, can you see? That looks very similar as the picture that's going around online. The look of it is almost identical, although I have to say the sticker on Mavic Mini is actually here, not on top. On top, there's this QR code. I don't know. So also, one thing to note in the label is that there is the Bluetooth sign, but no Wi-Fi sign. What does that mean? Maybe OcuSync? Maybe not. Who knows? And another information that OzitaLV has provided us with is that maybe the camera might have 4K, and that would be a differentiating factor from the original Mavic Mini. Maybe can we also get 2.7K, 60 frames per second? Although I personally actually don't really use 60 frames per second. Photos might still be just at 12 megapixel. Hopefully the sensor is better, which should not add any additional weight, because photos at Mavic Mini is not that great. And you guys might be asking, will it have obstacle avoidance? Most likely not, because obstacle avoidance system requires more camera sensors around, and that will put more weight. Because remember, Mavic Mini under 250 gram was the selling point of that particular drone, and hopefully the series going forward, because in the US, UK, China, and some other jurisdictions, you need to register if you have a drone above 250 grams. So 250 is like the limit. So anything under 250, such as Mavic Mini, you guys can see it says, hopefully it's focused. So you can see it says it's 249 gram. Excellent. So now let's take a look at the filing in India. So in India, we can see there is a battery filing by DJI Technology, and the battery is 2450 mAh. So when you look at the battery here, it says 2400 mAh. So there is that 50 mAh extra. So maybe a couple more minutes, and if drone weight is actually a lot lighter, then it can fly even longer. That would be exciting if they advertise it's like 35 minutes, 40 minutes. 40 minutes would be awesome. So finally, about the speculated price. Of course, with Mavic Mini being the cheapest of the drones that DJI offers, it should be at around the same price as the initial price of Mavic Mini, which was $399. Or I wouldn't see much more than that. So what is the implication of all this speculation? Well, if you guys already are Mavic Mini, then congratulations, you should not worry because you already have the device, you already fly, you're already having fun with it, and the new device might just be marginally better, I think. And it's just speculation anyway. So you guys just have fun with Mavic Mini. And second, if you're looking into buying Mavic Mini, then either you have two options. You can wait until this possible Mavic Mini 2 come out, or you can wait a little bit longer to see whether there might be sale of Mavic Mini. So it's a win-win situation. But you guys might be asking, well, Mavic Mini only came out less than or about a year ago, because I remember buying it either at the end of October or early November last year. Mavic 3 series is due. However, that's a little bit pricey. I think not many people would be terribly interested in it. And also there was a rumor of a possible FPV drone. However, I would think FPV drone would be too specialized. And even if I look at my video view analytics, I can see that a lot more people are interested in watching my Mavic Mini videos, far more in number than even my Mavic Air 2, which only came out in the summer. Maybe to boost the sales, DJI might be thinking in the direction of Mavic Mini 2, who knows? But I'll keep you guys updated, so please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you!